Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane. First, you need an A4 piece of paper. You fold it in half, portrait to portrait, horizontal, no, vertical, duh. So you do that, so you just fold it straight on. Yep. Now you open it back out, and then you fold the corner into where it meets into the center. We'll do the same on the other side. All's good. Now you get the corner again, like that, and then you fold it to the center again, so basically you're repeating the same step. You're getting that kind of shape, and you do the same on the other side. Very, very simple. Very simple indeed. So you just fold that up now, and now you're gonna get like a kind of triangle shape, like this, and then you get the corner of that and then fold it so it's kind of half open, like that. And then you do the same to the other side, but you can also have this like little flecky tail thing, which you don't need that, but I like to add it because it makes it quality. I had no idea what to say there. Not a clue. Okay, now I'm just gonna. Wow, how bad I am at this. Oh god. Oh. Come on, hurry up. Me, hurry up. Ethan, hurry up. Ethan, come on. Wow, why are we so bad at this? Why wouldn't you stay still? Why wouldn't you stay still, you stupid webcam? Oh my god, why? 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 Just why? Well, sorry guys. This is like I'm voicing over what I've already done, so you can't. Well, oh god, you couldn't see that, could you? Oh god. Okay, I'll just go show you. I'll just go show you. I'll try and keep in mouth with him. I'll just go show you. Yeah, that's what he said. It's over here. It's over here. Okay, look. It's over here. Wow, this is going badly. It's over here! Yeah, wow, look how amazing it is. Oh my god, my conservatory's 5 meters long. How impressive am I? That was how to make a paper airplane. Goodbye, my friends! Bye, thanks. Wow, sorry about that. I had to voice over. It was really awkward. It's really awkward. That was awkward. Logitech webcam software. Never use it. It's like the worst ever. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, my friends. Bye. 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 Bye.